In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sensitive content in Grok AI. While Grok's safety filters can't actually be turned off, I'll walk you through the practical way to work within them so your prompts go through smoothly and still deliver the creative results you want. First, open your preferred browser and head to grok.com. Let the page load fully so all interactive elements are available. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now so your chat session can save context as you go. Once you're on the home page, you're ready for the next part. Next, click on Chat. This takes you into the main interface where you'll type and refine your prompts. You should see a text box, your conversation history, and controls for sending messages. Think of this space as your creative studio. It's where you guide the model with clear, precise instructions and iterate until you get the look or language you're aiming for. Now, for the key idea. Since there isn't a switch to disable sensitive content filtering, the most reliable approach is to reframe your prompts so they align with Grok's safety guidelines. Use neutral, safer wording that focuses on style, mood, composition, or theme rather than graphic or explicit details. If your goal is narrative or visual intensity, emphasize atmosphere and action without describing harm. Keeping things clearly fictional or artistic can help set the right context, but the heart of the strategy is to ask for what you want in terms that are safe for work and policy friendly. This doesn't limit creativity, it channels it into descriptors the model can process without being blocked. Here's a concrete example to make that easier. Avoid words that commonly trigger safety filters like fight, blood, or attack. Instead, describe the energy and aesthetics of the moment. For instance, you might say, a dynamic cinematic scene of a hero in an intense action moment, dramatic lighting, motion blur, high energy, no gore, safe for work. Notice how this captures movement, tension, and visual style without dwelling on violence or graphic content. You're telling the model exactly what to emphasize and what to exclude, which both respects the rules and improves output quality. If a message gets flagged, don't push harder, simply rephrase. Swap out sensitive nouns and verbs for visual or stylistic cues. Call out no gore or safe for work, and center the prompt on tone, lighting, perspective, and emotion. With this approach, you'll consistently get strong results while staying within Grok's guardrails.